First one is longer in length, so we call that curvature na as the greater curvature. Then the other curvature which is lesser or shorter in length, so you have the lesser curvature. Then at the lesser curvature, you have the angle there. We call that part now as the incisura angularis. Okay, parts of the stomach. So here, kaning dome shape, you have the fundus, then followed here by the body, the stomach. Then at the level of the incisura angularis, you have the pyloric antrum, this one. And further here, more tubular, you have the pylorus. Fundus, body, pyloric antrum, and pylorus. Okay. Then sa stomach, you have two openings. Okay, two openings sa imong stomach. Okay, one that is near to the fundus, we call this opening now. Opening ha, ang opening, dili ang pink ha, opening lang. As the cardiac orifice. And then kanan, pink, muna na ang sphincter sa imong orifice. And we call the sphincter na as your gastroesophageal sphincter. Gastroesophageal. You still have another opening here, the pylorus, so we call it opening now as your pyloric orifice. And you have a sphincter there, kanang green, and we call that sphincter now as your pyloric sphincter. Okay. Now, okay, next. You have here the red, yung nagkuhan sa imong stomach region. So, kaning red, muna siyang arteries, at the level sa stomach. So, with regards to the, as I mentioned, if ever greater gan in curvature, mas taasad ang name sa artery. So, we call this artery na as your gastroepiploic artery. So, gastroepiploic artery na siya. So, you have two here. So, one towards the right, towards the left, towards the fundus. So, you have your left gastroepiploic. And here more towards the pyloric region or towards the right, you have your right gastroepiploic artery. Okay, then at the lesser curvature, lesser man siya. So, ang name sa artery mas shorter. So, we call this artery na as the gastric artery. Gastric. So, near to the cardiac orifice, it's towards the left side man. So, this will be your left gastric. This will be your right gastric artery. Left and right gastric.